Honey, are you home?
No, I'm still at work. Why?
I hear some weird sounds here. Are you sure you're not home yet?
No, honey, my boss is demanding overtime today. Did you forget to turn off the tap again?
It was one time, hon.
Just check it.
Wait. You're right, hon. The tap water is running. But it's weird. I swear I turned it off already. Honey, are you sure you're not home yet? You're not playing with me, right? I hear the dripping sounds again. What was that?
Hmm?
I hear a baby crying. Can it be one of the neighbor's child?
But next door was an abandoned house. Hun? Hun, are you okay? Don't joke around. Honey!
It's fine, hon. Our baby just missed us.